discuss some tips and tricks that you can use to stay organized in school. So whether you're in high school or college, good organization skills can make a lot of difference in your studies. Hi, my name is Kayla, and if you're new here, welcome. I create motivating, empowering, uplifting, and inspiring content just to keep you going through your daily life. So let's go ahead and start today's video. One of the most effective ways to stay organized is by creating a planner or schedule. You can either use a physical planner, the calendar app on your phone, or a task management app. You can start by writing down your class schedules, due dates for assignments, and extracurricular activities. This way, you have a clear outline of your tasks and you can allot your time accordingly. Now, in order to avoid feeling overwhelmed, it is essential to prioritize your tasks. Break down your assignments, projects, and studying into smaller, manageable chunks. You need to identify the most important tasks and set goals each day, week, or month, because when you do this, you'll stay focused and motivated, knowing what you need to get done. Remember that having a space dedicated to studying can greatly improve your productivity. You need to find a quiet area where you can concentrate without any distractions, and keep this space clean, organized, and well stocked with the necessary materials such as textbooks, notebooks, pens, and highlighters. A tidy workspace can help you to stay focused and maintain a clear mind. Now, when you're attending classes or reading textbooks, take detailed notes. Develop a system that works best for you, whether it's using bullet points, diagrams, symbols, abbreviations, and keywords to emphasize important information. Review and summarize your notes very regularly because this will reinforce your understanding of the material and make studying for exams much easier. Establishing a routine can provide a structure and help you to stay organized. Now, set specific times for studying, completing assignments, and taking breaks. Don't forget to stick to your routine as much as possible because it creates a habit and trains your mind to focus during these designated study periods. Now, distractions can hinder your productivity. Minimize them by turning off notifications on your phone or using apps that can block distracting websites. Find a study method that works best for you, whether it's listening to instrumental music, using noise-canceling headphones, or studying in a quiet library. I study best with music, but not everyone has the same study method, so try and find which one works best for you. And there you have it, the top tips and tricks for staying organized in school. Remember, staying organized not only helps you to stay on top of your work, but also to reduce stress and allows you to make the most of your learning experience. Implement these strategies, find out what works best for you, and watch your academic success soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more motivational, inspiring, and educating content. Until next time, study hard and stay organized.